In this section, I'm going to see how to create a combo line and column chart. So if I click within the data and then go to Insert, and within the column section, if I select this item here so we can create a basic column chart, I'll click there and just take the first option there, which will create this column chart for me. So at the moment we've got figures for, or sales figures, 2018, 2019, and clearly they're both using columns. Let's say I want to convert the 2019 data into a line chart rather than a column chart. All I have to do is click here to select one of the red columns here for 2019. If I right click on it and go to where it says Change Series Chart Type, making sure that combo is selected, I can have various combos like this, but I'll select this one here, and that's what it's going to look like. So the red column will now be converted into a line. So I click on OK, and there we go. That was pretty simple. So as you can see, this is sales for 2018 in the columns. Sales for 2019 are displayed in red as a line.